Creating track mattes with Adobe Photoshop is very simple. Just launch this program and create new document 1920 by 1080, click OK. Go now to View, New Guide Layout and set rows number to 5. OK. Now we want to choose Shape tool. Click U on your keyboard and using Fill Color White, we can create a rectangle that covers just first roof. Ctrl T to resize this shape. And now Ctrl J to duplicate this layer and place next shape below the previous one to cover the entire space here. If you don't see timeline panel, just go to Window and here you can enable this option and click Create New Video. Now just simply move all these shapes as you see in this video. Let's play. Click on Drag to add new effect and choose Fade. Decrease duration to 1 second and apply this effect to these shapes. And let's play this one more time. Okay, I think that this matte is ready to use, but first change this video duration to 3 seconds using Markout tool. And now go to File, Export, Render Video. Here we can adjust all these video settings like in Premiere Pro or After Effects. Select folder, maybe I want to save in my course folder and click Render. As you see, our track matte was rendered successfully and now is ready to use as track matte key using method that I showed you many times during this course. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in a bit at another Photoshop and Premiere Pro video.